You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk spark plugs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. You should be able to see the coils covering the ignition spark plugs. Disconnect the electric socket or the coil by levering pressure on the log. Using a ratchet, a socket and a Torx 30 bit, loosen the two screws securing the coil assembly, then complete the removal by hand. To remove all the coils, lever on the far right of them and remove them with little back and forward movements. This can be done by hand or with a screwdriver. You can now access the spark plug sockets. Using a socket wrench, an extender and a 16mm spark plug socket, release the spark plug. Finish it off by hand. Remove the spark plug.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new spark plug. Put the new plug in place. Always start screwing by hand, then finish by fixing it in place with a socket wrench. There are several techniques for tightening the spark plugs. You can use a torque wrench and employ the torque setting recommended by the manufacturer, or you can use an angular torque gauge to respect the recommended angle. We strongly recommend watching our tutorial, How to Tighten Spark Plugs, before carrying out this step. You can now repeat the same process on the other spark plugs. Put all the coils back in, forcing them in as much as possible. You should hear a small click as it goes in. Then reinstall the screws, securing them with a ratchet and the Torx 30 bit. Then reconnect the power connector. Put the engine cover back in place. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.